Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Emma, the English podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hey, everyone. Hope you're having an amazing day.
Before we start, let me ask you something.
Have you ever heard someone say, do whatever you want, come whenever you like?
And you think, okay, I understand, but also I don't fully understand.
Yes, like you know the words, but not the feeling.
Exactly.
Well, today we're fixing that.
Today's topic is whatever, whoever, however, whenever, wherever.
And trust me, after this episode,
You will not just understand them.
you will start using them naturally.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English in a fun and simple way,
Make sure you follow the podcast, like this episode, and share it with your friends.
because learning English should feel easy, not stressful.
Emma, let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
If I say, eat whatever you want, what does that mean?
It means you are free to choose anything.
So, no rules?
No rules.
Dangerous sentence.
Very dangerous, especially near food.
Yes, because then I eat everything.
That explains a lot. Let's make this very simple.
No difficult grammar.
All these words have one idea. No matter what, no matter who, no matter where.
That's it.
Very simple. Let's start with whatever.
This is the most common one.
Whatever means anything. It doesn't matter what.
Eat whatever you want.
Do whatever makes you happy.
Emma, what should I eat?
Whatever you want.
That means I can eat pizza?
Yes.
And burgers?
Yes.
And dessert?
Okay, maybe not everything. You can use whatever when you don't want to limit choice.
Next, whoever.
It means any person. It doesn't matter who.
Invite whoever you like.
Whoever comes first will win.
Who should I invite to my party?
Invite whoever you want.
Even my neighbor?
Yes,
Even my teacher?
that's your risk. Next, whenever. Anytime. It doesn't matter when.
Call me whenever you need help.
Come whenever you're free.
When should I visit you?
Come whenever you want.
That's too much freedom. Next, wherever.
It means any place. It doesn't matter where.
Sit wherever you like.
Go wherever you want.
Where should I sit?
Sit wherever you like.
Okay, I'll sit on the table.
No, not there. Now, the tricky one. However, it can mean in any way, no matter how.
Or sometimes it means but.
Yes, but today we focus on no matter how.
Do it however you like.
However hard it is, don't give up.
How should I do this?
Do it however you want.
Okay, I'll do it my way.
That's the idea. Let's quickly repeat. Whatever equals anything. Whoever equals any person. Whenever equals any time. Wherever equals any place. However equals any way.
That's actually simple.
Let's start with something very common.
Giving freedom to someone.
Listen to this. You can choose whatever you like.
Very natural.
Now, another one. Sit wherever you feel comfortable.
That sounds polite and friendly. Where should I sit?
Sit wherever you like.
That means I can choose any place.
Exactly. These words are very useful when you want to sound relaxed and friendly.
Instead of giving strict instructions.
Now, another situation. No limitation.
Like, anything is possible?
Yes, you can ask me whatever you want.
Call me whenever you need help.
Are you sure I can ask anything?
Yes, ask whatever you want.
That feels supportive.
Exactly, it shows openness.
Now, this is important.
Yes, slightly more advanced.
However happens, I will support you.
Meaning, no matter what happens.
Wherever you go, I will follow.
That sounds very emotional. Wherever you go, I will follow.
That sounds romantic.
Or scary.
You can start a sentence like this. Whatever happens, wherever you go, whenever you need me.
Then add the result. Now let's go deeper with however.
Yes, because this one confuses learners. However equals no matter how. However hard you try, it takes time.
However busy you are, take a break.
However tired you are, you should finish your work.
That sounds like real-life pressure. Some learners say, however you like it is okay.
That sounds a bit strange.
Better, do it however you like.
Now, something very interesting.
Yes, using these words in questions.
Whoever told you that?
Whatever are you doing?
Whatever are you wearing?
That's not a compliment.
Now, let's talk about real everyday English.
Because native speakers use these words a lot.
Whatever. It's okay.
Whenever. I'm free. What time should we meet?
Whenever works for you.
That's very natural.
Let's try a small story. Last weekend, I decided to relax. I told myself, I will do whatever I want. I woke up late, ate whatever I liked, and went wherever I felt like going. At one point, I thought about working, but I said, no. However I feel, today is for rest.
That's a perfect example.
Simple, but natural.
I think I get it now.
Tell me.
These words are about freedom.
Yes, no limits.
Exactly, and sometimes emotion.
Perfect understanding. Let's practice quickly. Blank you go, I will come.
Wherever you go, I will come.
Call me blank you need help.
Whenever you need help.
Do blank you want.
Do whatever you want.
Invite blank you like.
Invite whoever you like.
Do it blank you prefer.
Do it however you prefer.
Perfect.
This is getting really clear now.
Yes, but in the final part,
We bring everything together.
yes, full conversation, confidence, and natural speaking flow.
So you can use these words without thinking.
Yes, because understanding is step one.
But speaking naturally is the real goal.
All right, imagine we're planning something.
Okay?
Hey, what do you want to do today?
Honestly, I'm okay with whatever you want.
That's too easy. Give me something.
All right, we can go wherever you like.
What about a cafe?
Sounds good. We can go whenever you're ready.
Okay, give me 10 minutes.
Take your time, however long you need.
See that?
That sounded completely natural.
Now a more emotional situation.
Okay,
Hey, I'm feeling a bit stressed.
I'm here. You can tell me whatever you want.
Really?
Yes, whatever it is, I'll listen.
That means a lot.
And whenever you need support, just call me.
That's very kind.
And remember, wherever you go, you're not alone.
That's powerful.
Yes, these words can carry emotion.
Let's make it funny again.
Yes, please.
What are you doing?
Whatever I want.
That sounds suspicious.
No, I'm just relaxing.
Then why is the kitchen messy?
I cooked, however I like.
That explains everything. Now let's give learners something they can copy.
Yes, full speaking flow.
Last weekend, I decided to relax and not worry about anything. I told myself that I would do whatever I wanted. I woke up late and ate whatever I felt like eating. Then I thought about going out, so I went wherever I wanted, without any plan. At one point, I met a friend and we talked about life. I told her that whenever she needed help, she could always call me. Later in the day, I felt a little tired, but I reminded myself that however I felt, it was okay to rest. So I went back home and relaxed. It was a simple but peaceful day.
That's perfect.
Simple but powerful.
My weekend was quite free and flexible. I didn't make any plans, so I just did whatever felt right. In the morning, I went for a walk wherever I wanted. I didn't follow any route, just walked and enjoyed the moment. Later, I met some friends and we decided to eat out. We chose whatever we liked and didn't think too much. At one point, we started talking about life, and I told them that whoever wants to improve their life should take small steps every day. By the end of the day, I felt relaxed and happy. I think I finally understand.
Tell me.
These words are not difficult.
Yes.
They just mean freedom, choice, and no limits.
Exactly.
And when we use them,
Our English sounds more natural.
so here's your final tip.
Don't try to memorize everything.
Just start using one word at a time.
For example, do whatever you want.
Then slowly add more.
Now it's your turn. Try to say, I will go wherever. I will do whatever.
Say it out loud.
That's how you improve. Now let's slow things down a little bit and look at some useful words and expressions from today's episode.
Yes, freedom.
Freedom means the ability to choose without restriction.
Example. These words give you freedom in speaking. Repeat. Freedom.
Next, choice.
Choice means selecting something from options.
Example, you have the choice to do whatever you like.
Repeat. Choice.
Next, flexible.
Means not fixed or strict.
Example, my schedule is flexible.
Repeat. Flexible.
Next, support.
Means to support or be there for someone.
Example, I will support you whenever you need.
Repeat. Support.
Next, plan.
Means something you decide to do.
Example, I didn't make any plans.
Repeat. Plan.
And last, peaceful.
Means calm and quiet.
Example, it was a peaceful day.
Repeat. Peaceful.
And those were today's useful words and expressions.
Now you can use whatever, whoever, whenever, wherever, and however confidently.
So next time someone speaks,
You won't feel confused.
and you've been listening to Talk Emma, the English podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Like it
share it.
and follow for more.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing. Bye, everyone.